What is up, guys? Today, Marine are facing Liver's Edge. Liver's Edge are in the relegation zone, but they've actually got on an alright away record. They've just lost every single game at home. If only it was the other way around. But, yeah, obviously, if we play well, we can beat anybody. And, yeah, we'll definitely need to turn up. But, you know, if we do, we'll win. That's what it's like with every game, really. Has for a few injuries, Freddie Price and one of the Doyles won't be back for a few weeks, so don't expect to see them. But apart from that, I don't think we really got any other injury woes that I need to tell you about. Motore could possibly be back in the squad. We'll just have to see. See with the match. Team news, nothing out of the ordinary. Jacked on number 9. Scarsbrick starts up front, scored at Morpeth, making his full home debut. See how he does. So he does well. Easy. Here's Liver's Edge. Tried to take the piss there. Not going to manage that against me either. Finish that. Jig. Can't tell if any of these are going to shoot or not. Oh, pens. It's not a bad pen. Replays are gone. Right, as I said that, this guy can't out. Click on Evans. So he's got a different kit on. It's a lanky team, this. That's Alden Davies, the goat. I think the best thing about this is looking at all the teams' kits. I hadn't heard of half of these teams until this season, so. But Liver's Edge. I think Liver's Edge are one of the best. I really like their kit. So I'm not attacking this end as always. Just did a Remembrance Day, minute silence, obviously. Someone's phone went off, but you know, it was observed solidly. Didn't have any trumpet playing or anything, just the silence. We're a bit uptight. There we go. Oh, go on. Oh. There was a chance. Not much of one. There was a chance. Go on. Yes, Dunny. Oh! What a fucking attempt. Thought that was in. Is he on? Ooh. Fuck off. I mean, it was offside, like, but fuck off. Go on. Go ahead, Scarpa. Give them both having a look while they're playing. That's not too bad. I just passed to Josh, he'll wait until I that one. Oh, good header. Oh.
It's a god, Steve Bruce can't go.
Oh.
Surely he's got to be fit. Oh, 1-0. They're not there.
Go on, Josh. Fuck off. Oh, go on. Oh, unlucky. Good ball as well. Oh, oh. Well, you just knew that was going to happen, wasn't it? Oh.
Save.
What a fucking save from Bailey.
This grandma's one. It's like £5. Like
Hey!
that.
Go on. Oh, fuck me. Right, load this. I'll do that. Whatever works best. Go on. Oh! Half time. One of those where it's been entertaining but not entertaining enough for there to be a goal. And by that I mean you weren't expecting a goal, but it was still very entertaining. 84th minute winner, Josh Holman Davies, trust me. Right, pen shootout. Not a bad pen. Alright, stop dancing, you've conceded, lad. Oh, fuck me, what a pen. Going ball now. Going pretty much on. Almost on the spot. Hey. Alright, in other news, sunset's in full swing. And in other news, this kid's just... How the fuck do you manage that? I know you're gonna give kids the goals, but like... do it in a way that doesn't make you look quite as shit as these. Fuck me. I'll crumb the madness. Come on, Marine. Who's barely passing something? I know it's a bit traumatising, but I do have to show you the edge of a liver. I am not funny at all.
Yeah, I was thinking that.
Right. What's he doing? Go on. Go ahead.
Oh,
Right! Yes! Penalty. Right. That player was down. Injured. Had to come off. Alright. Yes! Come on! 1-0. It's just... Go on. Go on. Right. Goal number 2 is coming from this corner. Told ya. Did that go in straight from the corner or did Sol Solomon get a touch? Probably exactly right. Hey! I can't lie, the Gateswood vlog wasn't great, but this one's looking like it's going to be caught. Happy with that. Vlogly, reminder that those ultras exist. Just ignore how bad the quality of the film was then. I'm using my left hand. I don't really use my left hand, but 3-0. Oh. Yeah! Fuck me, this is... you have to feel sorry for them at this point. Bottom right. Yes! What a fucking pen that is! 4-0. 2 pens and 2 corners. Set piecey 4-0, probably the closest 4-0 you've ever seen, even closer than the Abington Collieries one. Oh. It's him. Ah. Pussy. That's more to it. Maybe because I don't recognise his face and I know he came on. Couple of yellow cards given. Oh. Yes, Bales. 1,153 attendance. Hello. Oh, that hit the bat. So Solomon man of the match. Bailey Passant had a really good first half, but didn't have anything to do in the second. Oh. Go on, Scarspenny. Oh. There's Lano's. Lano's a legend. Fancied him with Sean earlier. What a guy. Given he's funny, it's no surprise that he's Irish. Oh!
Don't listen to them! You've lost anyway.
Hey! 16. 16. Not R16, obviously. Motor's a G. Here's 16. Fucking twat. Little argument with the greatest man I'll laugh. Fucking off. There we go. Yes! Have that! Fucking have that!
Oh no!
Ah! Full time 5-0. Closest 5-0 we'll ever see, but a 5-0.
Check Bill down, no pass!
I know, what a guy. I never thought I'd leave a match. Oh! Love you, Lano. Oh, Lano, we love you.
Hey, you're not going to my house.
Best fucking match ever. I never thought I'd say this, but the Lano and the ref are fucking class today. Fair fucking play. Now the lights are going off. I'm feeling sorry for Liver's Edge, but can't be arguing with him. He's a fucking G. Get fucked, Liver's Edge. 5-0. Fuck off. And that is full time at the MTA. 5-0 win. What a win. I mean, 2 goals were from penalties, 2 goals were from corners, one of which was a howler. But who cares? Flattering 5-0, but still a 5-0. What a win. Onwards and upwards. That'll boost our confidence. And yeah, we will see you when we face a National League Southside, Scarborough Athletic, in the FA Trophy. Yeah. See you next Saturday.